I found this Onespring pack of 24 eye patches for puffy eyes and dark circles and wrinkles. Super collagen. 24 of them. So why I'm sticking with these. Cooling, soothing, smoothing. These are gel patches. They feel amazing and they genuinely do something. So I pop these on in my morning routine, 15 minutes, and I really do look less puffy and more awake. As I said, collagen, super collagen. We're talking the good stuff. Basically, a spa treatment for your eyeballs. And it is really a great value. 24 pairs, perfect for self-care. You also can put these in your fridge for a quick refresh. Let's be real. We've all done it. Got a Zoom meeting, pop these on. But if you need a glow up, you need to feel luxurious, a pack of 24, these are it. I highly recommend.